Hi guys, today I will show the new feature in Agno-Go. What is Agno-Go? Agno-Go is a part of AgnoPython to golang. Now I add some features and my favorite feature is theme. Yes, but I I want to show how use it with the vectorstore and basic knowledge. Why? Because when you use vector store, you can load the large files or small files in vector store and using your model. Here I use the keydrant on my vector store. I use new knowledge base PDF. I need to use name and vector store. I have the check size and overlap, and this is my PDF. This PDF is large, okay, and I can use the only load in base, or I can use it parallel load. In parallel load, you can use works per load. Then you can use the 1, 2, 3, because if I load a large file, I use 10. Okay, this load in my vector store, and I can use this in my agent. So I hear my agent. Some questions. This is agents use this. Okay, let's run this. Okay, I input some logs or show how this work. I can embed this load file. This my thing works in my progress bar for load. Okay, now my agent use this PDF for respond some questions. It is. I am continuing to update my project and the GitHub in the description. Thanks for watching. I see you next.